Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Voice of Life. Today I want to remind you of something very important. Our life is short, but our impact can be internal. আমাদের জীবন একদিন শেষ হয়ে যাবে, কিন্তু আমাদের কাজ, আমাদের ভালোবাসা, আমাদের কথা এভাবেই বেঁচে থাকবে মানুষের হৃদয়ে. So don't waste your time only worrying. Instead, you can use your time to grow up, to help, to inspire. Remember, every good small action you do today can become a light for someone tomorrow. Life isn't about waiting for changes. Life is about creating changes. Life isn't about fear. Life is about faith. And life isn't about give up. Life is about standing up again and again. So, my brothers and sisters, start today. Make one step forward towards your dream, towards your best self. This is your moment. This is your life. Make it meaningful. Assalamu alaikum.